Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another video here on the Bitcoin's channel. It's your boy Zay. We talk about crypto analysis. We look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins, things of that nature. We also tap into the S&P 500. And today is Tuesday, June 10th, 2025. It's currently 6:50 a.m. in the morning. And now we have price sitting here at 109.3K, right? So if we go ahead and just look at it, we can tell that the last 1, 2, 3, 4 previous days have been bullish for Bitcoin. This is really good given the fact that we were dropping down since the end of May. So for the last couple of days, is that what, a week and a half? So yeah, approximately around 2 weeks, we have been dropping downwards after we were able to break our previous all-time high right here. We decided to break down, and looks as though we grabbed some support right here at roughly 100K. So once we were able to get that, we finished off with 4 consecutive bullish candles, which is really good for the market, meaning that we are able to attempt and break these all-time highs that was already set, right? So now it's going to be very, very crucial that we continue this push forward, just because we created a shallow new all-time high, right? So when you have an attempt like this, you want to finish strong, because that just gives us more conviction that the market is continuing to push higher and is willing to continue to go upward, right? Yeah, that's where we're at. If we go ahead and look at the S&P 500, we can tell that first off, we've been rallying up since the beginning of April. So April, May, June, it's been 2 months, 2 months and a half so far of us pushing forward here on the S&P 500. I believe that if we are able to continue to maintain and hold above this $6,000 area, we could attempt the all-time highs here around the 6.1K and above, right? If we scroll over here to Ethereum, we can also see that Ethereum has been consolidating for a little while now, for a month basically, or essentially, in between this range, in between the 2.7K area and the 2.3K area. So right now we're sitting at the top of the range, closer to the 2.7K. We have encountered this for a while. So now if we continue to push with some more conviction and buying power, we would be able to overcome this area and possibly come back down to retest it, right? Similar thing with Solana. We came down a shallow retest of this area right here, and we still may come back down, but we are retesting this mid area right here. It could serve as resistance, but right now with the previous daily candles forming, this could continue to be bullish for Bitcoin, for Solana. Doge, it came back down and tested this crucial area of support once again here around the 1.7 or around the 17-cent area. We were able to push back up to the mid-range, which is sitting here around the 19-cent area. Looks as though we are coming back down slightly, but if crypto continues to, open up bullish and continue pushing forward, we would be able to overcome this midterm area, right? A lot of good positive things right now in crypto and just in the market as a whole is some of the things that you want to see in a bull run. So that's really, really good. But the biggest thing though, we just want to make sure we are trending in the right direction, right? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, we want to be trending in the right direction. So the fact that we are able to come back above here 2 weeks later and not really fully sustaining this drop, I think is essential. I think it is very, very critical and key when it comes to Bitcoin's growth and its ability to continue pushing higher, right? I say this because last time we were able to come up, the drop lasted for how long? Let's see. Until we got a clear reversal in trend. Boom. It took 80 days. It took 80 days. Now, when we come back and we drop from here, like I mentioned before, it took 14. So you got 80 days, you got 14 days. And now It could be a day. It could be 2 days. It could even come back down here and test in this mid range and then continue to push up. Or it can continue to push up right now. Like, it's a lot of different ways that Bitcoin could, continue to move right now. It's going to be key that, you just keep your eye on it. We may not get this. We may not get the 106.8. The reason that I do say this is because we had like a very, 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 very quick and shallow attempt right here with this candle right here. This candle right here. Ain't gonna lie, it fucked me up because I was like, I bet I set an alert right here. I did not get that alert, but price came down here, so I wasn't able to enter my trade. But I did like that trade a lot, like a lot. But that's the nature of the business. That sometimes you're able to experience that, and so if you do, you just got to move accordingly. You just got to wait and continue pushing forward. But in the meantime, nothing too crazy right now. I just want to give you a quick market update of what's going on. It's an earlier video because I got some things going on. So maybe this week I'll probably make the videos around 640, 650-ish. You know what I'm saying? And give out this good content. But nevertheless, that's all I got for today. It's Tuesday. Y'all have a great day. I'm gone.